Hello coders, and welcome to How to Fix. In today's video, we'll be focusing on a new bug that you might find challenging to solve. So without further ado, let's dive into today's bug.
Now, let's execute code 1 to generate the error and observe what happens. Now, here's the breakdown and the fix for the issue. Please pause the video to absorb the explanation. Now we'll repair the code and observe the final output. And bingo! The code performs perfectly and our output is just right. The error has been fixed. That's the end of today's lesson. If you found this walkthrough practical, don't forget to press the like button and subscribe to our channel for more code repair videos. Stay enthusiastic, keep advancing, and happy coding everyone!